Give me kisses.
Hi everyone, I'm super excited to make this announcement because I got invited to a convention, and this convention is comic, anime, and gaming convention. I'm very excited and at the same time I'm very nervous about it. This convention is called Tigercon. The time is on April 14th to 15th, so it's on a weekend. The location is in Georgia. I'll put the website link in the description box. If you guys live in Georgia, it'll be easier for you to come to this convention. It'll be my first time to be a guest. I will be in the opening ceremony. I will host 2 panels. I'm very nervous about it because besides talking in my videos, I don't usually talk very much. I will be very nervous talking in front of a lot of people. I'll cosplay at this convention. We are also giving away a free tickets on this channel. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Also make a comment to tell me that you want to enter this giveaway and what are you most excited for Tigercon. We'll randomly pick out one winner from the comment section. This is like a meet up, my first time meeting you guys in the real life. Some of you did recognize me in the real life. I'm very surprised. I'm looking forward to this convention. I'm looking forward to being a guest. I'm also looking forward to meeting you guys and we can chat. The links of details is in the description box and check it out. I will dress up at the convention and I will cosplay as well. My husband and I both will be at the convention. My husband is coming too! What are you doing?
I'm working on my costume.
That looks super scary.
Give me a kiss. How does it look in the back?
The back looks fine.
I think I need bows for my hair. What am I going to go as? Tank Girl? Can I go as Tank Girl? Give me kisses.
Super red curl.